In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to permanently remove videos from your YouTube channel, ensuring they're gone for good. Start by opening the YouTube app and navigate to your YouTube channel, located in the top right-hand corner. If you have multiple channels, make sure you're logged into the correct one. If not, click the downward arrow and select the right channel. Once you're on your channel page, scroll down to find the video section, where you'll see a list of all the videos you've ever uploaded. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a random channel since I don't mind deleting any of these videos. Now that you're in the video section, click on Manage Videos. You can either search for a specific video using the search for a specific video using the search icon, or sort your videos by popularity, age, oldest or newest. Once you've located the video you wish to delete, click on the three dots located next to that video. Among the options that appear, the one you're looking for is Delete, which should be the third one down. Click on Delete, and you'll receive a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the video. Confirm by clicking Delete. Congratulations! The video has now been permanently deleted from your YouTube channel, ensuring it's removed from your channel for good.